Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at IFX Brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. IFX Brokers is an FCA-regulated, no-dealing desk Forex and CFD broker based in South Africa that was founded in 2018. They offer flexible account types that are suitable for all types of traders, with competitive trading conditions and a variety of Forex pairs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices that you can trade to diversify your portfolio. As an IFX Brokers client, you can connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, and clients also have the option of using demo accounts and swap free accounts. The account minimum deposits range from $10 to $1,000, and you can fund your account using several major currencies. We recommend this broker for intermediate to advanced traders, simply because there is no dedicated educational section on the website, but there are plenty of online guides and tutorials available on using the MetaTrader platforms if you are interested in IFX Brokers, so don't be discouraged. The IFX Brokers website offers a simplistic interface. All information about the company, platforms, accounts, and instruments can be found using the menu bar. The homepage displays some information about the MetaTrader platform features and trading conditions offered for the various account types. You can also scroll to the very bottom of the homepage to view the payment methods you can use when trading with IFX Brokers. To find out more about the instruments offered by IFX Brokers, simply click on the Markets tab and select an instrument from the drop-down list that appears. IFX Brokers currently offers 200 currency pairs with spreads starting as low as 0.2 pips on major pairs. You can contact the IFX Brokers customer support team directly via email or telephonically. To view their contact details, click on the Company tab and select the Contact Us option. Here you will find various email addresses that you can use, and also have the option of lodging a complaint if you are not satisfied with the services provided. With IFX Brokers, you can earn a 50% deposit bonus on your first-time deposits and 50% on recurring deposits that you make. IFX Brokers is a MetaTrader-friendly broker, which means that you will have access to thousands of indicators and premium quality tools for research, technical and fundamental analysis, and chart customization. The MetaTrader platforms are also an excellent option if you are interested in trading with expert advisors or using trading algorithms, and these platforms can be downloaded on mobile and desktop devices for free. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, a variety of indicators, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis with news and signals directly in your terminal window, and much more. When trading with IFX Brokers, you will have access to 5 types of trading accounts that you can choose from. If you are on a trading budget, or you are new to trading, you will be happy to know that you can trade on the IFX Standard Account, the IFX Islamic account, or the IFX Cent account, with as little as $10, and these accounts are entirely commission-free, with no hidden costs. While the spreads on the IFX Standard Account and the IFX Islamic account start at 1.3 pips, and spreads on the IFX Cent account start at 1.6 pips, the IFX VIP account offers raw spreads starting as low as 0.5 pips, but a small commission fee is charged. The IFX VIP account requires an opening deposit of $1,000, and is recommended for professional traders. If you are looking for an account that is beginner-friendly and low risk, then you should consider opening an IFX Cent account. But this account is also a great option if you would like to leverage your trades, offering a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000. The IFX Cent account is the only account that can be used on MetaTrader 5 only, but all other accounts can be used on either the MetaTrader 4 platform or the MetaTrader 5 platform. You will be able to access all tradable instruments using any of the accounts offered, and all the IFX accounts are market execution accounts that come with a volatility index and one-click trading. You can open an account with IFX Brokers in a few simple steps, and it will only take a couple of minutes. Firstly, launch the IFX Brokers homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Enter your full name, email address, and contact information, and select your country of residence. Remember to choose a strong password for your account, and enter your phone number. Next, choose a base currency for your account, and then complete the online application. You will then want to verify your account and email address. After your account has been set up and verified, you can log in to your IFX Brokers client zone. For traders who are opening live accounts, you will need to submit the required documentation before your account is approved. Users who wish to open demo accounts can simply head over to the Add Account option and easily add a demo account. Once your account has been set up and approved, you can simply start trading. What you'll want to do next is download and install your preferred platform. And once you have downloaded and installed your preferred platform, you can simply log in with the credentials provided. And just like that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with IFX Brokers. In the center you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to the MetaTrader platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 offer a variety of educational resources and tutorials to help you get started. As mentioned before, IFX Brokers does not offer traders any educational tools, resources, or materials on the website. Although this may seem like a drawback, MetaTrader 4 and 5 both offer traders with a wide variety of trading tools, materials, and resources that you can research online to help you with any information that you might be looking for. Overall, IFX Brokers offers more currency pairs than most other brokers, with the added benefit of super tight spreads, no commission fees, and a 50% welcome bonus. For as little as $10 US, you can open an account that will give you access to all the instruments offered, and you will be able to experiment with all types of trading strategies using a variety of premium MetaTrader tools and features. IFX Brokers is a great option for South African traders who would like to fund their accounts using South African rands, but you can use several other major currencies, and the accounts offered are flexible. If you are interested in claiming your 50% welcome bonus, be sure to open your account with IFX Brokers today. This broker can be summarized as a trustworthy South African broker that offers traders a well-rounded trading experience. And that is our overview of IFX Brokers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.